The strange case of voice fragments appearing on YouTube audio tracks, and the fix for now. Hi everyone, how you doing out there? So a while back I made a video for my other channel, Model Railways Unlimited, and on this occasion it was accompanied by just a musical track. So imagine my surprise when on playing back the video there were 4 instances of a male voice calling out the phrase "oh" or "ow." Let me show you now. Here's a screen recording from YouTube of the video in question. The first occurrence is at 45 seconds in. Here we go.
Oh.
Now I made a pinned comment as others were reporting this to me, and since I reported it to YouTube there have been changes, but it's not gone. The next occurrence is at 4 minutes and 37 seconds in.
Oh.
And the last one now is at 8 minutes and 22 seconds, but this time it's a call of "ah."
Ah.
Right, so what's going on here? Something spooky? Some sort of AI involvement? Well, I spotted a clue in the bottom left corner of this video's player. Right there you can see the words auto-dubbed. Now auto-dub is great because it translates your spoken videos into a number of languages, thus making your videos available to a worldwide audience, so we don't want to switch it off channel-wide, as is possible. Clearly some kind of error is occurring with this feature, and we wait to see what YouTube says and does. The fix is quite simple, but does require your viewers to make the change at their end. On PC, hover your mouse over the bottom right of the player, choose Settings, then Audio Track, then select Original. For some reason mine says Japanese, which is a bit odd. Now when you play back your video, the voice fragments will have all gone. For mobile users it's a little different, as the settings are accessed at the top right of the video player, but then it's the same thing. For TV users, start playing the video. Press the OK or Select button on your remote. Then press the up arrow. You should be able to move through the options on the bottom right to the Settings option. Press OK, then scroll down to select Original. Go back to the video and it should now play voice fragment free. Once we hear back from YouTube, we'll let you know what they say.